How do you use Irish question words like say and cad? Imagine walking through a lively Irish market or a cozy village pub, and you want to ask a local something important. Knowing how to ask questions in Irish can make your trip more fun and meaningful. Today, we're going to learn how to use two key Irish question words, say and cad. These words are the backbone of many questions you'll hear or want to ask when exploring Irish culture and arts. Say means who and is used when you want to find out about a person or people. For example, if you see someone interesting and want to know their identity, you can ask, say he tusa, which means who are you? Or say head duina ta ansio, meaning how many people are here. It's a simple word but very useful for making connections. When asking about someone's name, you might say ainam dit, which translates to what is your name. Cad means what and is used to ask about objects, things, or information. If you're looking at a menu in an Irish pub and want to know what's on it, you can ask, cad acute and tiabhar, meaning what is the filling, or cad is ainam dunchial sin, which means what is the name of that music. Sometimes you'll hear cad used with a question particle, making it caddy acute, which helps from questions like caddy acute and tiem, meaning what time is it. Irish questions often start with the question word followed by the verb and then the subject. For example, say he and fear sin, means who is that man. Here say is at the beginning and then the verb he is follows. Similarly, cad ata ar and mbiachlar means what is on the menu. Notice how the question word comes first, then the verb ata is, and then the rest of the sentence. Other question words include ken, which means which or what kind of. For example, ken k of fuel to asks how are you. Ken is used to specify choices or types. Ka means where, which is handy when asking for locations like cub fuel and teach tabhern, meaning where is the pub. Cadain means when, used to ask about time such as cadain a thosnion and kjol, meaning when does the music start. Knowing these words helps you ask simple questions and understand Irish speakers better. If you're in a Gaeltacht area where Irish is more common, recognizing say and cad will help you follow conversations and participate more actively. They are the starting points for building your Irish language skills and connecting with Irish culture and arts. So next time you're exploring Ireland, remember that say is for who and cad is for what. Place them at the beginning of your questions, and you'll be on your way to speaking a little Irish and making your trip more memorable. Practice these words, and soon they'll feel natural, opening up new ways to enjoy Irish music, stories, and traditions.